My name is Luke Legnice, and this is the 2008 Cyclone Nargis. Cyclones are typically seasonal, and in the North Indian Ocean, cyclones tend to form between April and December, with the peak from May to November. Cyclones are a storm-related natural event that have precipitation but are mainly driven by wind. Cyclones are low-pressure systems that have organized thunderstorms but no fronts. In order for tropical cyclones to have enough energy to develop, they must pass over sea surface temperatures of at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The North Indian Ocean basin, where Myanmar, formerly Burma, is located, is the least active basin in the world, with only 4 to 6 per year. This major event can involve all parts of the Earth system. It is, of course, directly related to the atmosphere, as this is where it primarily takes place, and the wind that it is driven by is an atmospheric factor. However, it also creates storms and heavy precipitation, all of which is driven by the hydrosphere. It can cause serious damage to both the geosphere and the biosphere. The wind can pick up dust and dirt from the geosphere and move it to different locations, and the heavy rains can cause damage to the geosphere structure. Cyclones also cause major damage to the biosphere in the form of loss of life, whether it be human, animal, or plant. The winds are known to knock down trees and destroy entire habitats. The Cyclone Nargis made landfall in Myanmar on May 2, 2008. It killed 84,500 people and 53,800 went missing. An estimated 2.4 million people were severely affected by the cyclone. This disaster was the third deadliest tropical cyclone since the start of the 20th century and is the 10th deadliest tropical cyclone of all time. It did about $12 billion of damage. Myanmar, a primarily agricultural country, was hit hardest in that industry, destroying crops, farms, livestock farms, fisheries, and small businesses. Nations across the world reacted to the Cyclone Nargis with a 3-year-long relief and recovery operation that was primarily conducted by the Myanmar Red Cross Society. The relief targeted 100,000 affected households in 13 townships. They provided over 12,000 families with new homes, built 25 schools and 19 health centers, and 171 community buildings or infrastructure were repaired. Furthermore, 20,000 people and their families regained their livelihoods, 160,000 people have been provided with basic health care, and nearly 50,000 school children now have access to clean water. Additionally, they increased their disaster preparedness to ensure another event such as this wouldn't have such a devastating effect. Over 4,000 people in at-risk areas have been trained in community-based disaster risk management and have been provided with loudspeakers for warning systems, stretchers, and educational materials. 300 students and 20 teachers have been trained in disaster risk management, and telephone lines have been installed for Red Cross Township branch offices to improve communication.